left your pets? This is the very first time I have to leave my cats and send them to the cats hotel. I have to go to Singapore for 8 days, so my cats have to stay in the cats hotel for 8 days too. I'm gonna miss my cats, and I think my cats gonna miss me too.
Hi guys, today I'm at the airport and I'm going to fly to Singapore. And I'm going to be a part of movie production. Go Iguana. See you later guys. Bye. This is me at business card. This is my first time. And see you at Singapore. Bye.
As soon as we arrived at Singapore, we found a gigantic fountain at the airport. Let's take a picture. Here we go! Singapore is a very clean country. There are a lot of trees in here. They help us from being overheated. We commuted in Singapore via bus, train, and walking. On the first day, we checked in the Park Royal Collection Marina Bay. There was a 7-Eleven nearby the hotel, and we bought some snacks.
Hi guys, and I'm going to show you what I got from 7-Eleven. I got some Chinese tallow, some crispy seaweed, some crackers, and some Kit Kats, some beef jerky, some yuzu pocky, and finally some brownie energy bar. Bye guys.
Let's go riding a bike. We rent bikes and rode through the Helix Bridge and went to Marina Barrage, in the place that Singaporean people go for exercise. After we finish riding bike, we have dinner at the hotel. Tomorrow there's gonna be a rehearsal, so I had to practice and remember the lines. Keep going. Good morning. Today the rehearsal was taking place at Marina Bay Sand.
I'm in a subway right now, and I'm on the way to my rehearsal, and I'm going to catch the train to go there. Bye guys.
And I thought we do it quite well. It was raining so hard, and my dad bought umbrellas from the 7-Eleven. The filming was taking place at K Bowling Club and C Cube Studio. It's the last day of filming. It's super early in the morning. The cameramen are already here. I can't wait to see the movie when it's ready, and I wish you also enjoy it. Bye! What? No way. Uh-oh, I got the two of you in this game. You wasn't even you if it wasn't for me. That is true. There's some nice spot on me. That's who? It's me. Guys, Choco. Maxine, you're looking around the box. So you get to choose. You guys are best friends. That's not fair. Why it's not fair? Do it. I'm a better agent, so I have more option to remove this thing than you. Nuh-uh. Yeah. To both of you. Facing out of three. One side down. And lose, sucker. Paper, rock, scissors, shoot. Yesterday I forgot to finish the vlog because the filming the movie was taking so long. Filming was starting at 5 a.m. to 4 p.m. and it takes 6 months for the production. Today we're going to try and play the Nerf action experience in Singapore. Let's go! In the night, we went to see Spectral Light and Water Show. The meaning of the show was the origin of Singapore nation.
is amazing, right? I hope you enjoy.
The shape of building of Art Science Museum was inspired from humans and not a banana. There was also the exhibition of Attack on Titan. My dad is a fan of this animation. Yes. There was a sketch aquarium in the future world part of the Art Science Museum. Let's see how it looked like. The next morning, we went running through the Marina Bay area. At Helix Bridge, there were the lights on the ground which have the genetic code. Here in Singapore, it's so cool to be a part of a movie production. And finally, it's time to fly back to Thailand, and I'm going to see my cats again. Yay!